Yo, what is up? Today I'm going to be mounting my tires for the work VSXs, and then I couldn't wait any longer to test fit them because recently I rebuilt them, and then my homie did the silicone on them. This is what it's going to look like somewhat. It's like fender lip if I get enough stretch on them. And that's the front. Obviously it's not cambered out right now, but it's pretty pokey. Shit box. Here's another view. So it's really pokey right now. A lot more poke, but like once it airs out and then add a little bit more camber, I should be chilling. Yeah, that's how it's looking right now, and then once I go pick up the tires, I'll pick up the camera.
Tomorrow.
Standing Mondo in a mini truck. Certified. Just pulled up to the tire shop. I thought I was running a lot of stretch, but Mario over here with the Tio is running a 215/35 on a 10.5. Sad news. I'm not gonna be able to run these.
Fucking broom me this shit shop. I was like, oh, that's what's up. He's like, you start booming. He's like, oh, he's gonna record, and I did record. I was like, fuck it, I'll make him feel good.
I was gonna tell my brother, but that's what I have to wear. What the amp for sale?
Step on that shit. Rich. What?
Oh, I'm scared. Hopefully this holds, bro. I want it like this.
Bro, I don't know. It's barely on that beat, to be honest, but the bike's hella dark. Jeez. Fuck. Is it tucking? No, it's out, huh? It's poking. That's good, though. That's what you want, though, no?
Yeah, this is what I wanted.
Damn, that's perfect.
Right.
I really wish you could pull it out. I want to see from the side.
Okay, so it's pretty much gonna be like the same fitment as like the RPF one.
It should be, right?
Or with a little bit of more camber.
What's that sound?
It's my
Bag.
yeah. Oh, what happened on the other side? Oh, okay.
Whoa, what happened? What happened? Oh!
Oh, I want to take it out, bro. I'm taking it out.
Oh my gosh, Yohan!
Bro, I'm taking it out.
Oh my Yohan! Yohan, the specs! Holy fuck. You got down.
Dude.
You got down. I ain't gonna
Yeah,
cap.
that's-
Bro, I ain't gonna cap. That's hard. Is the other side the same or no? It is too. Damn.
I'm taking the picture. Yeah, that's a little.
That's clean, fool. Oh shit. Rod knock. What was that? Damn, that is sketch. Yo, this feels wild, dude. Oh, chill. You're gonna have to take it slow because there's a bump. You're gonna have to take it slow. Chill, hey, chill. Slow. Oh, we made it up. Oh, God. Yo. You haven't seen your arm for way too long. Like,
Hey, so we're flipping a coin or what?
flip a coin, bro.
Flip coin?
If I win, it's $80. You win 60.
Fuck it.
Do it ASAP.
Hey, said before it dies.
Heads up. Heads up is mine.
Alright, bet. Gotta hit the ground.
Okay, heads up is mine.
Alright, bet.
Sheesh.
Fuck!
Hey.